I am Dr. Sharjeel and you are watching my YouTube channel. Now, this is a case of double limbal dermide which I have discussed previously, and today I am talking about the challenging case 135. Lot of viewers commented on challenging case 135. Hanifur Rahman, Enigma, Shehnaz, Liaquat Ali, Haider Ali and Hassan Nadeem correctly diagnosed challenging case 135 as a case of a limbal dermide. Hassan Nadeem also mentioned its differential dermolipoma and its association with golden hair syndrome. But the peak of the comments were of Haider Ali, who thoroughly poetically explained and left no room for me to discuss. I would like to describe the lesion in the words of Haider Ali, that on examination of the anterior segment of the left eye, there is a pale yellow, sessile, solid looking swelling on the inferotemporal limbus extending from 3 to 5 o'clock. Inner edge encroaching 1 mm onto the cornea and outer margin approximately 3 mm away from the limbus. Finer details can't be appreciated. We should check visual acuity, keratometry, auto and subjective refraction, slit lamp examination with corneal staining. If there is a clinical suspicion of a Dellen formation, dilated fundus exam, facial examination for craniofacial anomalies and general physical examination. This is most likely a case of limbal dermide. Concerns of the patient as well as parents must be addressed. Management is excision. Concerns are cosmesis, irritation, Dellen formation, astigmatism, increase in size, and I would like to add amblyopia. So Haider described it in detail, but I would like to add a few lines that when you see a limbal dermide, magnify it and look for hair on its surface. These are the finer details that Haider was asking. Anterior segment OCT will tell you the details of the corneal depth involvement that will be required while surgery. Check lateral fornices for associated dermolipoma and look for medial lid margin colobomas, preauricular tags for golden hair syndromes. So management, if required, like for cosmesis, high astigmatism, amblyopia, decrease of vision, it is causing is shave excision with diamond burr, and if it has penetrated deep enough, you may require to fill the defect, the crater, with scleroconjunctiva and amniotic membrane graft or pedicle conjunctival flap to prevent future corneal perforation. So that was all about the challenging case 135 limbal dermide. Thank you very much.